Hi guys, this is going to be the first part to the series of trying new experiments and popular science experiments. Today we're going to be making Play-Doh. All you need is food dye, flour, some salt, and water. So let's start. All you're going to do is take your flour and put it into the bowl. There's no exact measurements, but as much Play-Doh as you want is the amount of flour you're going to add. And I only want a little bit, so that's all I'm gonna add. Then you're going to get your salt. You don't need a lot. Now, if you want to color your Play-Doh, you'll need food coloring, but if you don't want to, that's optional. So I would recommend putting the food dye into the water before you put it into the mixture. I'm going to color mine afterwards, but you just gradually add in the water. If you add too much water, you can add in flour to even it out. It should be a dough consistency, it shouldn't be too watery. So as you can see, after mixing for a little bit and adding the water, it's starting to get more dough-like. I think I added too much water, but if you do that, you just add more flour to even it out. And it's kind of sticky right now. I recommend not adding all your flour in at once as well, just in case you need some more. It's really sticky. Okay, this is the end result. It's still very sticky. But it does kind of feel like Play-Doh. I'm pretty sure this is how you make pizza dough. The last step to this would be adding in the color. I think I'm gonna do multiple colors, so I'm gonna split it up into pieces. Okay, I'm gonna do red, blue, and green. I'm gonna try to make a purple. Even though this is pretty sticky, I'm pretty sure if you let it air dry a little bit, it won't be as sticky. So just make sure you have like flour, extra flour, in case it gets too sticky. It does feel like Play-Doh though. It's just very sticky. Okay, here's the final result. It's very sticky, but that was my fault for adding all the flour. I feel like this is a good experiment if you want homemade Play-Doh. It's still pretty cool and all. I would just recommend not putting too much water. But I feel like this could have worked if I did have flour. But I feel like if you leave it out, it can give the same result as adding flour to it. Here is a close-up of it for now though. Like I said before, it's very sticky, but if you leave it out, I'm pretty sure it might help a little. But for now, this is a fail.